morning, students. Namaste. How are you? Are you very sincere towards your studies? It is very essential to be very sincere towards your studies because after school opens, your examination might begin. Understand? So, if you are not very conscious about what are given to you, what materials are given to you, and what is taught to you, then at that time you will feel very discomfortable. So be very serious. Yesterday I sent you some exercises on models, and that is from practice book. You must have done. I am sure. I will see your practice book, and if you have done any incorrect, then that will be corrected. But today I have decided to teach you voice, very important part of grammar. Voice. Generally, when we speak voice, we think the sound of something. His voice is very hard or hoarse. Her voice is very sweet, but not. In grammar, voice means what? The transformation. Transformation means change of form. Transformation of transitive verb. That is written here. Voice. What is voice? Voice of transformation of transitive verb, which shows whether subject is the doer of action or subject is the receiver of action. Now see, what is definition? Voice is the transformation of transitive verb which shows whether subject is the doer of action or subject is the receiver of action. In any sentence we have a subject, and that subject may either be a doer or a receiver. If the subject is doer, then we will say the voice is in active. If the subject is receiver, then we say that the voice is in passive. For example, I am telling you, if I say, I have completed my work, the subject is I. And who has completed? I have completed. So I, what is I here? I is the subject and doer of action completed. Completed, that is a transitive verb, and its doer is I. But if I say the work was completed, the work was completed, here the subject is the work, and the work is not doing anything. The work is being completed by some other one. That means here the work is what? Receiver. So according to doer and receiver, voice is, you see here, voice is of two types. Voice, active voice and passive voice. In active voice, subject is doer. In passive voice, subject is receiver. Again you see, subject doer means subject will do the work, and subject receiver means subject will not do any work, but subject will receive the work. Some other one will do the work. So how we change from active to passive? We see here how to change active into passive. The first rule is the object of active, this object of active becomes subject. I have written here, object of active becomes subject in passive. Means object becomes subject in passive. Then second rule, be verb is used according to transitive verb. Be verb is used according to transitive verb. Here, this transitive verb, we see the transitive verb. According to the form of transitive verb, we use be verb. Here is be verb. And third rule is transitive verb is used in third form. So this transitive verb will be used in third form. You see third form, always third form. And then rule number 4, subject of active becomes by object in passive. This subject of active becomes by object in passive. So this is the general rule. Object becomes subject according to transitive verb, be verb used. Transitive verb is always used in third form, and then subject is used by object in passive. This is the main, what you say, structure of active passive. For example, you see here, Ram killed Ravan. Here, if you are asked what voice is this, Ram killed Ravan, your answer is active. Why? Because Ram is doing some work. What is his work? Killing. Ram is subject as well as the doer of action, killed. But in the second sentence, Ravan was killed by Ram. Here Ravan is not doing any work. Ravan is not killing. But Ravan is being killed by Ram. Means Ravan was killed by Ram. So what did we do? This object, Ravan, became the subject of passive. Then according to this transitive verb is in second form. Killed is in second form, so we used be verb second form. Be verb second form was, be was been, was, and then again this killed will be in third form, killed. So Ravan was killed and this Ram became by object by Ram. So our voice is complete. We have to do like this. Okay. Now you will be given from the book to see whether the sentence is in active or sentence is in passive. You will do from the book. Okay.